do a smoke test, which is a way of finding out whether any of our ductwork is leaking. So we're going to put a smoke generator here, blast some smoke into this return air duct, which will then go into the air handling unit, which has a fan in it, and the smoke will then come out some of the other diffusers. And what we're trying to do is make sure there's not any leakage in the ductwork on the roof of the building.
As you can see here now, very exciting, the Desert Rose is now producing 4 kilowatts of solar PV and finally we're the first house in the Solar Heights to begin producing all of their own energy, so it's pretty exciting.